Every day, thousands of editors join freelancing, but sadly, most of them fail. Do you know why? Hey everyone, this is No One Access. Today I talk about the real reasons behind it. Number 1. The most common mistakes. The first mistake, they think learning software is enough. They don't practice and they don't know how to handle clients. The second thing is mentally. There are many people believe after 1 month they earn thousands of dollars, but freelancing needs hard work and strong communication. Number 3, work expectation. Some people not respect small projects. They think small projects are a waste of time. But in reality, small jobs open the door to bigger clients. So what should you do? Number 1, build a strong portfolio. Number 2, keep improving your skills. Number 3, set realistic expectation. And then improve your client communication. Remember, success in freelancing does not come in overnight. Stay consistent and success will follow.